Rigosertib's interaction with tubulin has intrigued researchers since the early 2010s. Initial studies from 2012 to 2014 hinted at its role as a microtubule destabilizer, but debates about its mechanism of action continue. One key point of contention is the concentration needed for its effects. In vitro, much higher concentrations are required to destabilize microtubules compared to in vivo settings, where lower doses seem effective. Some argue this discrepancy arises from the low affinity between rigosertib and tubulin, suggesting that in cell cultures, microtubule destabilization might stem from indirect interactions with other cellular processes. Notably, rigosertib has been identified as a tubulin polymerization inhibitor with an IC50 of around 2931 nm, aligning its effects more closely with in vitro thresholds. This complexity highlights the nuanced relationship between rigosertib and microtubule dynamics, inviting further exploration into its potential as a therapeutic agent. We present detailed physical thermodynamic values for each intermediate formation of tubulins, taking into account rigosertib and its derivatives, in order to put a final verdict in this long-standing dispute and to present a new stage in the work of the experimental biochemical laboratory, each of which in the 21st century can receive a preliminary analysis of the stability of all the main and intermediate formations, so as not to waste money and time on long-term searches for the truth.